to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of TechTube. If you have also restricted someone on your Messenger app and you're trying to unrestrict them again, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. If you have restricted someone, that other person won't be able to tell when you're online, and any messages that they send, you won't get a notification. Once you unrestrict them, all of these features will be removed. So open up your Messenger app, tap on the three lines on the top left, and then tap on the settings on the top right. From here you can scroll down, under preferences, tap on privacy and safety, and head over to restricted accounts. Through this section you'll be able to view all of the people that you've added in to the restricted list. To unrestrict them, just tap on the name and their chat will open up, from where you can see an option called Unrestrict. And it says they can't see when you're online or when you read their messages when you have restricted them. So to remove the restrict, just tap on Unrestrict, and as easy as that, you have successfully unrestricted someone on your Messenger app. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.